We do a wide range of criminal defense work here, ranging from healthcare fraud, financial crimes fraud, tax fraud. Our criminal defense practice is in both state and federal court. When you're representing both businesses and individuals, it's best to get involved as early as possible in assisting somebody in their representation, far before an indictment is ever returned. If you can do that, you have a much better chance at establishing not only some good dialogue with the prosecutor's office, but also getting a favorable resolution for your client.
I like to tell my clients right off the bat, I am the one person whom they can confide in with the absolute truth, and I demand that of them. Once I learn the background, once I understand what is the complexity of the case, then I can start preparing the defense for them that is in their best interest, making sure that the government has covered all the bases and that the prosecution is fair.
A client needs a firm like Landerman Shouse because we can represent a client and kind of tip the scale back in the client's favor against the government, who has been spending years and a lot of resources against them.